Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
A. In a banking system with limited reserves, country L would conduct an open market purchase of bonds to increase the money supply and lower nominal interest rates. B. In a banking system with ample reserves, country A would decrease its administered interest rate, specifically the interest on reserve balances, IOR. C. A correctly labeled reserve market graph for country A shows the vertical supply of reserves intersecting the horizontal portion of the demand curve. The demand curve is horizontal at the IOR rate. By decreasing the IOR, the horizontal segment, the demand curve shifts downward, leading to a decrease in the equilibrium policy rate. D. In the long run, country A's short-run aggregate supply, SRAS, will increase since the economy is in. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.